Hey guys, what's up? Kate Byers with C'est Bonjour. You are now on Module 4. What? That's awesome. You have worked through lots of French by now. So I'm just going to tell you this right now. We're going to do this lesson, but after we do the lesson, we're going to put up a whole bunch of sentences, and I bet that you can read them, which is kind of amazing, right? 4 weeks of French, and you can read a whole grid of sentences. Very cool. All right, so today on Module 4, we're doing the sentence starts, which is my personal little hack into learning to speak French quickly and being able to say stuff. So often with French courses, it's like, you start in September in school, or, if you took French in high school or college, you would start in September, and by the time April rolled around, you just still couldn't say anything. So let's erase that right now. Let's go ahead and start speaking and saying your own thoughts. All right, so Module 4 is sentence starts. So what you're going to do is you're going to memorize these sentence starts, and then when you get stuck, if you're making a French friend, or if you found somebody in an online community and you want to go ahead and start speaking to them, memorize these, and you can just kind of put one out there and get yourself rolling so you can go ahead and make sentences. All right. So your only job today is to memorize the sentence starts. All right, so here they are. Here are your sentence starts. I'm just going to read them straight down. If you've got the workbook and you're following along, go ahead and start filling things in. All right, so here they are. Il y a, je pense que, je crois que, qui est-ce que, qu'est-ce que, où est-ce que, pourquoi est-ce que, comment est-ce que, quand est-ce que, avec qui est-ce que, and combien de. Easy, right? There's so few of these. There are like, 12 of them? All right, so your job is to memorize these. And you can see what they mean right here. There is, there are, I think that, I believe that, who, what, where, why, how, when, with who, how many. All right, couple things to note before we go forward, and that is that the que part of qui est-ce que, qu'est-ce que, où est-ce que, all of those guys, it's kind of optional in French. It could be there, it could not be there, depending on what the sentence is that you're saying. The que part means that. So just like in English, if you were going to say, I think that she has really pretty eyes, you would use that, right? But there might be some other times when you might not use that, okay? So just be aware. The first ones that they look the same, il y a, mean there is and there are, okay? So you can use it for singular and plural situations, all right? So let's fill in some example sentences for each one and kind of get you going, all right? So the first one is, il y a la baguette. There is the baguette. The second one is, il y a les croissants. Je pense qu'il y a la baguette. Je crois qu'il y a la baguette. Qui est-ce que le garçon? Qu'est-ce que tu es? Où est-ce que nous sommes? Pourquoi est-ce que la fille est américaine? Comment est-ce qu'elle est contente? Quand est-ce que tu es content? Avec qui est-ce que tu es content? Combien de baguettes? All right, now the amazing thing is that if you have done modules 1, 2, and 3, you know all of the words in those sentences. What? I know, you're speaking French, so crazy. All right, so let's go on and we will do some example sentences. I'm going to put these up. Just give yourself a minute, maybe pause it, maybe watch this video a couple of times and see if you can really sort through and understand what these sentences mean before I say them. Here they are. All right, let's read through them in French. See if you can say them in French right before I do. Okay, ready? Here we go. Je suis content. Tu es content. Quand est-ce qu'il est triste? Oh, pardon. Quand est-ce qu'il est très triste? Elle est américaine. Nous sommes très tristes. Quand est-ce que vous êtes triste? Il y a les baguettes. Pourquoi est-ce qu'ils sont contents? Elles sont contentes. Qu'est-ce que tu es? Où est-ce qu'il est? Quand est-ce que le film? Pourquoi est-ce que tu es content? Je pense que tu es très triste. Pourquoi est-ce que je crois qu'il est très content? Avec qui est-ce qu'elle est assez contente?
Okay, so let's translate these sentences just to make sure that you have them. We'll start with the first one. I am happy. You are happy. When is he very sad? She is American. We are very sad. When are y'all sad? There are baguettes. Why are they happy? They are very happy. What are you? Where is he? When is the film? Why are you happy? I think that you are very sad. Why do I believe that he is very happy? With who is she quite happy?
What? Guys, that seemed really difficult, right? But you know all of those words. Okay, so if that was super difficult, go back and review modules 1, 2, and 3. If it was kind of difficult, just rewatch this video and see if you can kind of sort through it. Pause the video, read it, do whatever you need to do. If it was not difficult at all, then just go on ahead until module 5.